Before starting, make sure your power is switched off and all your taps are closed. Now all the taps are off, you can attach your water pipe. Connect the electric to the back of the machine. Open the green tap to bleed the water. Once you see a continuous flow of water, you can close the tap. Take the clear pipe and place it in a bucket. Turn on the big red switch and press and hold the black water button. While holding the button, you'll see bubbles in the float tube. If you release the button, the float will drop. Adjust the float type to what is required. Now connect the clear pipe to the front of the machine and take out the black plug. Now press and hold the black tap button and keep looking at the front of the machine where you pulled out the black plug. As soon as you see water coming out of the hole, take your finger off the tap button. This means your chamber is filled. Now put the black plug back in. Now we'll turn on the machine and make sure it's cleaned and prepared properly. Press the green button. You'll see the water coming out the front, so press the red button to stop it. This means the machine is cleaned and prepared for use. Before adding material in, make sure to repeat the bleeding of water so your chamber is filled, ready for the material. Start by splitting the bag on the machine. Slowly pour it into the front of the machine. Don't do this too fast or it will splash back up and cause a lock. This should start to fill the mixing chamber. Now empty the first half of a bag in. Start the machine to get everything going. You don't want to see this metal shaft, so empty the rest of the bag into the machine. Do the same again with another bag. Make sure all of this goes down the front of the machine. Now turn the machine on and change the flow tube until you get a better consistency. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up. Different materials and temperatures can affect the required water content, so you must adjust to suit. The machine is currently at 280 and you can see the difference in the consistency already. Clear the nozzle and attach the pipe. You might need to use a hammer. Pour a cupful of water into your hose and connect to the front of the machine. Again, you may need a hammer. Turn on the machine and allow it to come through the hose. Once it's come through the hose, turn it off and clean it ready for the spray gun. Attach the gun and connect the air pipe to the gun and the machine. Turn on the compressor at the back of the machine and make sure you lock the door after checking the pressure is correct. Check the air is flowing at the nozzle. When the gun is closed, the machine will stop. Now the white light is on, the machine is ready to use. Open the air valve all the way and the machine will start. Use the green button to turn the machine on. Aim the gun and open the lever to start spraying. Use the gun to get even coverage of the material on your surface. Refill the material into the hopper to maintain a steady flow. Once you have your first coat, level the material. Use the gun to fill in any gaps required. Once your hopper is empty and your spray is completed, spray the remaining excess into a bucket. Once only water is coming through, use the red button to turn off the machine, open the back door and turn off the compressor and lock the door. Disconnect the air from the gun and pull out the centre. Disconnect the hose from the front of the machine and remove the spray cap. Insert the cleaning ball, attach the cleaning coupling and put this on the water outlet. Now flick the top left hand toggle into the manual position. Open the green tap slowly. The ball will push out the debris until the ball itself comes out. Now close the green tap. Now allow the toggle to switch back to auto. Allow all the water to drain. Take off the hose for cleaning manually. Turn on the machine until only water's coming out. Turn off the machine before disconnecting the power. Unlock and tip open the motor. Take out the internal parts for cleaning. Unlock and remove the rotor and stator. Separate these parts. While the machine is in use, the internal chamber moves to stop a build-up of product. Clean off all your individual parts. Make sure you clean around the motor and the machine itself. Now rebuild the rotor and stator and reassemble the machine. Make sure the motor is lined up when you reconnect it. Connect the electricity and allow the water to drain through the system and then plug up. Test that the water is coming out clean. Use the red button and turn the machine off. Disconnect the pipe from the front of the machine and hang it on the top. Now leave open the drain tap until the next time you use it to drain all the water.